December is a good time to review what you are really saying online. In 2026, people will have less patience for confusion. Your website content must explain your value quickly. Headlines, visuals, videos, and proof. Clear content builds trust faster than flashy design. That's why websites should be built alongside branding and marketing materials. Now, over to you. If your website needs clarity, comment "Content matters" and take the link in my bio or this video description.